Welcome, welcome. My goal is to show you a really great little fun top. It's versatile. It can be worn several different ways, so it means it can be done for everyone. But I've seen it in the stores. I did my homework. I brought in a lot of different examples of it, and I want to show it to you. We're going to start with pattern number 118. It's called Monty's off-shoulder top. And of course, you know, Monty is Armani, maybe there's a suggestion there, but the top is done beautifully. It's simple, and it's just a lot of fun for the summer. I've done it in a lavender. We have a crocus color lavender, and the ribbing and the knit are corresponding, and we have several different pattern colors like that. We have it in pink and we have it in lavender, but we also have border prints, and I want to show you how much fun you can do out of lots of different fabrics. And again, lots of different options that we can do with it. So let's get started. I want to show you a couple pictures first, where always my inspiration comes from. This first one is from Acris, and you can see that it is, I'm sorry, Alice and Olivier. I'm saying Acris, and it's Alice and Olivier. You can see that it's just really beautiful. It's a beautiful kind of a border, very pretty colors, just really soft and really beautiful, and it's very feminine, very nice. The second one you see here, I put two together because I want you to see how you could really widen the collar, think of all the variations. And so I'm going to start you on that process of thinking, and then you'll figure it out and come back. But you can see that that ruching, the one on the left there, is very, very ruched. It's probably double the width. You could probably double the width of the collar and still come out with that ruching. And then the one on the right there is a border print. Beautifully done in a border print. You just want to make sure the border print stretches in the direction going around, which most do. This next picture I want to show you is beautiful classic black. Of course, in the summertime, black and jeans are just a beautiful combination. They're very pretty together, and you can see how beautiful this top is. Very soft and very gentle. So this last one I want to show you because it's the pattern cover, and I want you to see that if you don't want to wear the top over your shoulders, you can simply slide it up. You can simply wear it, it almost becomes a cowl. And so it's very convertible also. The one I have on, you can see that if I wanted to, and I have it on with a strapless bra, but if you wanted to wear a bra and wanted to wear the straps and all of that, you could simply take and do cover straps with either the ribbing or the plain lavender knit. You could do that either way, but I've seen where they do little covers, little slides that goes over the bra, and you can easily cover those bra straps. If you're doing it in a border print, and this is just one border print we have, you just want to make sure that the stretch of the fabric will go around. So that's all I really need, is the stretch of this neckline, a collar, whatever you want to call it, goes around so that it will stretch over my shoulders. And it's just fun and simple to do. The sweater set is the base of this. If you do a rounded back, you wouldn't need to do a rounded back in here because there's really not a lot of back. So there's only 4 pieces. You've got your front, your back, your sleeve, and then your collar. And it's just easy and great and quick for summer. So again, if you're doing border prints like this is one of ours, make sure that stretch goes around. Nothing hard about the sewing. There's 2 French darts. I didn't do anything different to the pattern. I didn't change the pattern at all. It is meant to be long so that you can wear it like with a legging. I have it on with a little white legging. All my accents are done in white and gold. That's just how I chose to do it. But again, it's just a fun summer top. If I decide that I don't want it off over my shoulders, I just bring it up, and it becomes like a little bit of a cowl neck. So it can be kind of as daring as you want it to be, or as modest as you want it to be. The goal is it's just a great summer top, and it will help us have happy sewing. Thanks for being here.